Ram, oh Ram, this is the 13th time on my 1-year-old truck that the engine light has come on for the same problem. So they can't fix it. They don't know. They've done everything. So they told me to buy an engine code clearer from Pep Boys, which I got, and to just start turning it off until Ram comes up with some way to get it to stop happening. So the first thing that you want to do if you're trying to clear your engine code, you're going to push the start button twice. As you can see, my engine light is on. Now this isn't, you know, it's going to look different when I actually start the car, but that's the problem with it, is the engine light. Now you're going to take this end and you're going to go way under here. It's actually really awkward and hard to find, but it's right here. If I can get it the right direction, because you can't really see what you're doing. Okay, so it's on. Now it's going to read the code. It's going to say something like diesel exhaust system, because that's the problem. I've looked this code up 100 times. That's what it is. Now we're going to press the delete button twice, or hold it down. Erased, yes, done. Okay, so it says done. So now that's literally all you have to do. If your engine code comes on, if you know how to fix the issue yourself, go for it. But even the Ram engineers can't fix mine, so we're just clearing it for now. So now when I start the car, if it worked, then the engine light should go off. Let's see. And it worked. No more engine light. Yay!